Hello and welcome to Tactive Learning Networks. Here I'll be walking you through the registration process for a free account and showing you how to get started. On the client area, you come over to the Register and click. Here is the sign up page. You need to first choose a username. Make sure it resembles something close to what you're trying to teach. So in this example, I'll be choosing Masato Schools. And my email address will be vanishsequence@gmail.com. I will choose a password that is nice and secure. And I will choose Give Me a Site. Next, we'll be able to choose our site title. This will be displayed up at the top, much like here, Tactive Learning Networks. And we will allow search engines to index our website. Now that we have chosen to sign up, we are going to get an email in our inbox. So let's go check our email here. And here's our email. Quick as that. Now we click on the link to activate. And it gives us our information here. And we may choose to view our site or log in. I'm going to go ahead and view our site first. And here you have a very basic layout with not much going on. This will change in the future. You will have a new template to work with, and you will be able to build from there. But let's go ahead and get started. You may start by typing in WP-admin, which will take you to this login screen that you see here. So we'll use our Masato Schools username and type in our password. Now you're inside your administrative dashboard. First, we need to go and check our pages. You'll see that you are equipped here with a sample page. You may choose to delete it, edit it, or what have you. For the sake of this demonstration, I will go ahead and delete it, and we'll start from scratch. So now we're going to create our first page, and we will call it Home. And now we go to Edit. Now here it shows you the URL to your home page, which we will soon choose to be the default here. Alright, so let's add some stuff. I'm going to go to the Visual Composer and go to Add Row. And for the top part, I just want a single image. I'm not going to give it a title. Just going to select some files here. Now, you get to have... let's see what image. Let's use a Tactive Learning logo. Now you have up to 1 GB of space to use, and so use it wisely. This is only for free accounts. Paid accounts get unlimited usage. And I'm going to go ahead and give it an animation to appear from the center. And the image size needs to be 250 by 250. Those are the dimensions of this particular image. Yours may be different, but you do need to remember to define them. And we don't want to link to a larger image, and we don't want to give it an external link. We just want the image itself. So there you have it. I'm going to add another row here. Now I want 3 columns. And in the first column, I'm going to add a text block. I'm just going to leave it at default. In this one, I want, let's see, what do I want here? A message box. Leave that at default. And you can see that you have tons of options here. You have tabs, accordions, tour sections, you know, all these different things. This is only available in the visual editor. I'm just going to do a button. I'm going to make it orange with the weird little image icon here. I'm going to make it large, and we're going to save that. So this is what I want on my homepage. And I'm hitting Publish. I'm going to go and view the page. And there you have it. There's our image. It appeared from the center. And there's our text box, our message box, and our button. which we can have linked to whatever. Okay, so back over here, I'm just going to click on Masato Schools, and it's going to take me to the default page here. Now, we made a home page, and it's showing up here twice. So the first thing we should do is come over to our themes here, and we can choose customize here, or we can choose customize here. It's both the same. We can choose our tagline where it says just another Tactive Learning Network site. I'm just going to change that to demonstrational video site. Alright, and then the colors, header image, background image, static front page. Now this is where I need you to be. Choose a static page, and for a front page, choose home. Now we save that, close this. Now because of this particular theme, we have to go into our parabola settings, which is the name of this theme, and here on presentation page, we will disable that and save our changes. Now there are tons of options here that I'm not going to go into with the parabola settings, but definitely feel free to explore. So we've gone over creation of pages, and now we're going to go over the menus. I always title my menu main, so it helps me remember that it is a main menu, and well, I generally don't have more than one. Going to add the home page to the menu, and I'm going to have it automatically add new top level pages to this menu, which means every time I create a page and have it published, it will be automatically added to this menu. And I want it to be a part of our primary navigation as well as our footer navigation. I'm going to save this menu. Alright, so let's have a look and see how that turned out. Clicking on the main page here, and there's our home page. Things look a little different. So you can go back into the parabola settings, and there are tons of color schemes that you can choose from. In this tutorial I'm just going to choose Midnightmare because it looks nice and black and dark and stuff. And there we go. Refresh the page. And wouldn't you know it, everything's here. And that is the basics and overview of this tutorial. There are tons of things for you to play with. Pages, forms, media, tons of stuff. Newsletters, appointments. So be sure to definitely poke around here, and I look forward to hearing tons of reviews on Tactive Learning. Thank you.